Hi, I'm Matt Lilly, Senior Sales Engineer for Home Center Outlet, and we're going to be previewing the Alexues Elite Folding Door. This particular door is a 120 by 96. The 120 and the 144 will come with the 4 panels. So you will have an active casement door on one side, either the left or the right. This will be your everyday pass-through. So when you're grilling, walking the dogs, you have one pass-through. Now, when you have a party and you want to open up your back, you have the folding capabilities with concealed hinges and hardware. So when your door is open, you have a clear view to outside. All the hinges are concealed inside the panels. So when we shut it, it'll look just like a curtain wall. You don't have any hinges exposed. Nice, sleek look. So another benefit of having the concealed hardware is it does have anti-pinch. So when the door does close and your hands get stuck, it will not hurt, but you still keep the weather out. Now with the active door, you will have a multi-point lock. So when you engage the lock handle up, it'll put a pin in the top of the header and in your threshold. And now you can lock your deadbolt and you're secure in 3 points of locks. This is our 144. Here's a 3 panel, and this will be a 108. So a 9-foot wide, 6'8", so 80 inches high. So this will have your 3 panel. So your 96 wide and 108 wide will be 3 panel fold. We also stock this in the 96 inch height. What we're showing here is the 80 inch height. And again, all concealed hardware, snap shut. And then again, engage your multi-point lock by lifting up your handle and then engaging the deadbolt. And that is our Alexues Elite series.